Okay, so basically we're going to be looking at glass morphism effect, how it can be created. So let me just show you what a glass morphism is. Let me check for a design that was used. And how it can be done on Pixel app. Okay. Here's one. You can see that the middle part of this design is looking glassy. It's not looking like the main design, which is here. It's not looking like this side. You see that place is looking like a glass. Now, so we're just going to look at how it can be done. We're not going to be using this design. Let's change this background to white. Let's use another design. It was also done here. It was also done here in this part of the design, this part. That's what it was done. You notice that that place looks glassy. So that's just glass morphism. Now let's try to create another one from a separate design. Let's just use this. Now what we'll do is, we have this design here already. Now we're going to take this same design to Snapseed, or let's say Pixel, but let's just use Snapseed. Now what we'll do is, we import it, that same design, we import it, and then we make it blurry. Now choose lens blur. Now in lens blur, we don't need these vignets. We take it to 0. Let's just push this one inside. Transition to 0. Blur radius. Let's take this one to a corner. Okay. Let's leave our blur radius at 75 here. And then we save it. Save. So let's also import that. Import. Increase it. Let's lock it in place and then move it to the back. Now this one in front, we increase it. Centralize it and then lock it. Now we create a shape. Now you notice that, just look at this shape now. On this shape we have blue and it's close to purple, we have green, red. Now we're going to look for a color that is not on this design. That's the only way it could work. We're going to look for a color, and colors that are not here, if we use yellow, it's kind of turning to the skin, but we can still use a bit of yellow. But we're going to look for a color that's totally not here. So let's just come to color. Let's see yellow. Let's check if we could still see other colors that. Okay, let's check out this orange. Let's check this out. So let's say we want the glass morphism to be here. We just put it here, and then we merge this and this. We merge them together and top it like that. Now you can see that this one has become one. So what we do is we come to erase color, erase color, tap on erase erase color will erase only white. Now we'll tap on this color picker and then erase the orange. Now because the background is white and that orange has been erased, you cannot see that glass. You can see the glass morphism, but you cannot see the, how do I call it, the border. So you can just come to stroke and then tap on stroke, and then let's say give this stroke a black color. Can you see now where it is? Now we want to kind of give this, let's look at this, we want to give this our, we can just create a shape now, and then let's give it this color of green and put it at the back here. Come to edit and reduce the opacity. Can you see now it's kind of greenish? If we change this color to yellow, to blue, it's kind of bluey. Same thing if we change it to black, kind of makes it darker. So this is just how glass morphism can be achieved. So that's just how it is. So you can do it to your taste, you can create it to your taste, but this is how it can be created in Pixel Lab. So you can see, and that's glass morphism. You save and